In this video, we will solve a question on the impact of the per unit price in case of monopoly. The question is, a monopolist is operating at an output level where the absolute price elasticity of demand is equal to 3. If government imposes a quantity tax of $6 per unit of output, and if the monopolist is facing a linear demand curve, how much does the price rise? Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay. So let us see what we are being given. We are being given the absolute elasticity of demand is equal to 3. Okay. Also, we are being told that quantity tax of $6 per unit of output is being imposed. That means tax rate is per unit tax, which is $6 per unit. We need to find out how much will the price change due to the imposition of per unit tax of $6. Okay. Here we use the learner's index and we know. Let us see the scenario before the imposition of the per unit tax. Using what we call the learner's index, we know that in the learner's index what we have, price minus marginal cost upon price should be equal to 1 upon the elasticity of demand. This is the relationship between price and elasticity in case of learner's index. Learner's index is used to measure the degree of monopoly. You know that. I will not go into further details. Now let me denote MC by, let us say MC is being denoted by M. Can I write price? Let us divide by price on both. Sorry, let's simplify this. So can I write P upon P minus, in place of MC, let me write it here, M upon P is equal to 1 upon E. Okay. So it becomes 1 minus M upon P, or let's write it here MC, whatever it is given, should be equal to 1 upon E. Solving further, I need to solve this equation for price here. So can I write it in this fashion? There is marginal cost upon price is equal to, transpose it here, it becomes 1 minus 1 upon E. Okay. Further simplification here I will do here. We have MC upon P is equal to, so if we solve it, it becomes E minus 1 upon E. Reciprocate both sides. Can I write P upon MC is equal to E upon E minus 1, or can we write it in terms of P? P will be equal to, transpose it gets multiplied this marginal cost, so we will get E divided by E minus 1 times MC. Okay. When I simplified it, I got, and let us denote it by P is equal to E divided by E minus 1 times MC. Capital E, so it is here MC. Now let me rub this out here. Now when a per unit tax of $6 is being imposed, what happens to the marginal cost for the monopolist? So after the imposition of the per unit tax, so marginal cost will be equal to, rather marginal cost will increase by the amount of tax, that is T. So again using the learner's index, or we got the relationship between initial price and marginal cost is this function. Now new price after the imposition of tax will be equal to, let's denote it by P prime. So new price will be equal to E divided by E minus 1 times the marginal cost, that is MC, plus the tax rate. Okay. So with the imposition of per unit tax, marginal cost will increase. I should have had solved this for the elasticity here, or rather the values of elasticity. Let me solve it further. So P will be equal to, so elasticity is 3 divided by 3 minus 1 times MC. So initially our price will be equal to 3 upon 2 times MC. Okay, so this is the price before the imposition of per unit tax. Now when the per unit tax is being imposed, what will be new price? That will be equal to E, or let us give the value of E, that is what is being given. E, absolute value of elasticity of demand is 3. So let's write here 3 upon 3 minus 1 times MC plus 6. Okay, so this new price will be equal to 3 upon 2 times MC plus 6, or I can write it P will be equal to 3 upon 2 times MC plus 3 upon 2 times 6. Now what is the change in the price? Or the change in the price will be equal to the new price, that is P prime, minus the old price, that is P, this value P. Okay, so change in the price will be equal to, so this is our new price, 3 upon 2 times MC plus 3 upon 2, this is here 9, and we subtract this old price, which is minus 3 upon 2 times MC. So plus and minus gets cancelled, so the change in the price will be equal to 9. That means with the imposition of per unit tax of $6, price will increase by $9. Okay, I hope I have done it perfectly. I'm not sure whether I have done it correctly or not, but I guess it should be, solved in this fashion. I hope I make myself clear in this video, and remember this, I am making these videos for you free of cost. I don't charge any penny for the hard work, I will say, to solve the questions that you pose on different channels. So this question was also asked by a person on Telegram, so I just took some time to understand the question and then solved this question for you, for the community in general, and specifically for that very person. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.